Hi there, this is Maneesh from PM Pulse, and we bring to you yet another power-packed episode on PM Ninja video series. In this particular power-packed episode, I wish to inform you about the way we conduct PMP training and how it is entirely different from anyone who provides PMP training, whether they are ADP or any other training institute. Keep watching. Well, if you look at the name of our organization, it's called PM Pulse, the very pulse of project management. We have been focusing only on project management and will continue to do so in future. We were established in 2006, and since then we have over 120 different kind of engagements connected to project management and only about project management. Strategy, program, portfolio, project. That's our focus. We never stray into operations. And PMP certification is one of our signature courses. We call it PM Ninja. We've already cleared over 42,500 people. In fact, the number is not exact. It'll be slightly more than that, but I think we are happy with this number for the time being. Don't take my word for it. Just watch how we actually conduct trainings. The confluence of all of these, like the intersection of all of these three kinds of people, provides you the ultimate stakeholders. They're the best, right? They are powerful. They can get things done. They will not be depending on you as a project manager to get things done. They are legitimate stakeholders and they are showing urgency. That means they are self-starters. They will not actually, lean on you to get the things done. But imagine a situation like this, where you have a legitimate stakeholder intersecting with the kind of people who need a lot of urgent information or want to get things done urgently, need something urgently. Well, that's a dependent stakeholder because they don't have any power. That means in absence of any power, while they have urgency and while they have legitimacy, they are part of the project, they will actually lean on you to get things done for them. So the more you have over here, the more they will literally, they will literally mob you to get their work done. So you'll end up doing, other people's work instead of your own work. So be very careful here. But as I said, in the ethos, the ones that I bold out are the only ones that you should concern yourself with. Now, when it comes to planned stakeholder engagement and tools and techniques, you need to only concentrate on stakeholder engagement assessment matrix. Just take my words for it. Nothing else will ever show up. They are also quite meaningless, and most of it you've already gone through, right? But as far as planned stakeholder engagement is concerned, this is what you need to concentrate on in terms of tools and techniques, right? So how do you actually create an engagement assessment matrix? I'm going to show it to you. Please understand, I would not want all my stakeholders to be supportive or leading. It is just a waste of time. Let me change the pointer option to pen to explain something better. Let's just say that one of my stakeholders is resistant, right? His current situation is resistant and is a very negative person when it comes to not as an individual, but towards this project. The person feels that this project should not have started in the first place, very resistant towards it. And therefore, I'm not going to waste my time to take him all the way to becoming supportive. Why would I do that? That's like, swimming upstream. Very difficult. So instead, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to work enough so that this person becomes neutral. This is my desired state. I just want him to become neutral. I'll have to just convince him that, listen, this project has nothing to do with you. It does not affect you in either way, positively or negatively. So as long as I'm able to convince this guy, the person will stop being resistant, and that's good enough for me. So do not even once think that everybody has to become supportive and leading. You have to pick and choose. You cannot expect to deal in a similar manner with every person in the project or connected to the project. You cannot. Everybody has their own agenda. They have their own perception. So whom are you going to deal in what manner? What if there is a particular stakeholder who's low power, low interest, and is resistant? I'm not going to do anything because the person has low power and low interest. What if he's a resistant? He's a non-influence resistant. I don't care, right? So you need to pick and choose which kind of stakeholders you need to work with. So this is your black book about people, about stakeholders. This is your stakeholder engagement assessment matrix. Just imagine an entire PMP training like this, whether you attend our PMP video platform or you attend our live session. Our training is entirely different from anybody that ever provides PMP training. If you like it, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up mark. That's how YouTube actually would realize that you want my video to be shown to more people. Also, go ahead and share it with as many people as you can, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people are looking for quality training. And in case you're interested in my session, go ahead and write an email at this email ID, workshop@pmpulse.net. In case you want to check out the entire schedule, 6-month schedule on PMP trainings, well, here's the link. Just visit my website and you'll find the entire link. For any other details, just reach out at workshop@pmpulse.net. I'm really looking forward to you and working with you and be a part of your PMP journey. Thank you for watching.